Hello students, how are you all? This is grade 7, your English literature book, and today we are going to do another chapter of this book, which is on page number 59, chapter number 6, benefits of laughter. So students, we get so many benefits when we laugh, okay? So let's see, we are going to learn the benefits of laughter in this chapter. So students, don't read out the chapter from here, read this out from here. Norman Cousins was an American political journalist, author, professor, and royal peace advocate. In 1964, at 49 years of age, he was diagnosed. Diagnosed means detected or identified. He was diagnosed with a connective tissue disease. Connective tissue disease means a type of rheumatic disease, okay, with only one chance in 500 to recover. He was told that he had 6 months to live. Not deterred means dissuade. Not deterred by the piece of news, Cousins, the optimist means a person who tends to be hope and confident. So the optimist that he was planned his own recovery. First of all, he analyzed the possible causes. So he factored in depression and anger as perhaps contributing to his condition. He mulled means considered, okay, over the probability that if illness can be caused by negativity, maybe wellness could be achieved by positivity. So what happened, he had problem, okay, he had a disease which I have told you earlier in the previous page. So doctor told him that you have only very less time to live, okay. So laughter was, he thought that the negativity can cause him injured, cause him sick. So why can't positivity will make him better, okay, will make him recover. So laughter was one of the most positive activities. He knew that the laughter is the most positive activity, okay. So he rented all the funny movies he could lay in his hand on. This was in 1960s. He rented the actual films. He also read funny stories and asked his friends to call him whenever they said, heard or did something funny. In his book, Anatomy of an Illness, he states, I made the joyous discovery that 10 minutes of genius belly laughter had an anesthetic effect and would give me at least 2 hours of pain-free sleep. So this much it was affecting him that he can get the pain-free sleep. When the pain-killing effect of the laughter wore off, he would switch on to the motion picture projector again, and not infrequently it would lead to another pain-free interval. So this is how it was being recovered by the benefit of laughter. He fully recovered from his illness and lived another 26 happy, healthy, and productive years. So this is how it helped. What helped? Laughter helped him. Okay, so students, what you can understand here, you can understand that we should always try to be happy, okay, and we should try to make others also happy so that we can live happily, more healthy, and more productive years, okay. Since Cousins' groundbreaking subject working, scientific studies have shown that the laughter has the curative effect on the body, mind, and emotions. So this is how groundbreaking means innovative. This is something which was very new, and curative effect means healing effect. So it can give the healing effect to the person who are dealing with this, who are struggling with any type of situation like this, okay. So students, still here I have learned, I have read out, and till here you have to start doing the reading by your own, okay students. So today your homework is that you have to do the word meanings of this exercise which are given at the bottom of your pages. So complete your work and have a nice day.